In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your audience list from Mailchimp and open it in Excel for further analysis. Whether you're preparing a detailed marketing report or simply need to review your segmented lists, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. To start, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the Audience tab on the left side of the screen. This is the section where you can manage your subscribers and all things related to your audience. Click on Audience, and you'll be directed to an overview of your audiences. Here you'll see a list of your audiences, sometimes referred to as lists, especially if you have multiple groups you're managing. Carefully select the audience that you wish to export. If you only have one audience, this process will be much more straightforward. However, if you have multiple, make sure you're clicking on the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once the correct audience is selected, move your cursor to the upper right side of the page where you'll find the Manage Contacts dropdown. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several options. Here, you'll want to select the option that says Export Audience. By doing so, Mailchimp will begin collating all your audience data into a file for you. This might take a moment, so be patient as the system processes your request. After Mailchimp has prepared your export, you'll be prompted to download your audience data. The download usually comes as a zip file, which is essentially a compressed folder containing the information in separate CSV files. Locate the downloaded zip file on your computer. It's typically in the default download folder or wherever your downloads are set to save. Once you have the zip file on your computer, you'll need to extract its contents. This process is straightforward. Simply right-click on the zip file and choose Extract or Extract All, depending on your operating system. Once extracted, you'll see the CSV files, each containing different parts of your audience's data. Now that you've extracted the CSV files, you can open them using Excel. Simply double-click on the CSV file you want to work with, and it should automatically open in Excel if it's set as your default program for spreadsheet files. If not, you can right-click the file and select Excel as the program to open it with. Once open, you'll see all of your audience's data laid out in a familiar spreadsheet format, ready for you to edit, organize, and analyze to your heart's content. This entire process allows you to have a copy of your data offline, where you can manipulate and examine it with more flexibility. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of exporting your Mailchimp audience and preparing it for analysis in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to apply these steps whenever you need to handle your audience data efficiently.